You know, again, so much has changed since the beginning, but in the beginning, it was very difficult to figure out. I mean, I guess it was my head that would tell me, well, don't want to do what people expect. But if you don't give them what they expect, then they're disappointed. And if you give them what they expect, they're disappointed. So, you know, there's always that bit of finding out what you can play with, how you play with it. And time plays a part in all of that. And again, I'm a big believer in evolution rather than revolution. So we couldn't have arrived where we are today without having gone through all those years that came before. And as there was no archive of ready-to-wear and there was no heritage of ready-to-wear at Louis Vuitton, you need time to invent that.